Good morning, everybody. Look what we have. Yes, it is snowing. And a lot of it. So, those of you who live in a warm region, this is what it's like to live in the Midwest. Yeah, so it started snowing around 4:30, 5 o'clock this morning. And right now it is 8 o'clock. And we have already gotten probably an inch of snow. Yeah, and you can see how much it's coming down. So if I point upwards, do you see that? How much it is? I mean, that is a lot. So look at my sleeve. Right. That's what it's like when it snows. I mean, that is a lot of snow. Here, look. Look it this way. You see it? Yeah. And it just started snowing. So this is the big storm that everybody is fearing. Right? And we've already gotten about an inch. And it is blowing as well, so it's not real clear on how much we will actually get. So, yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys who live in warmer weather what it's like when it snows. So this is exactly what it's like when it snows. It blows around and I mean, it is just coming down. Can you see all that? Yeah. Isn't that fun? Yeah, it's like 25 degrees too. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what it's like when it snows. I mean, it is really coming down. That's my neighbor's house over there. Quinn and Jessica. Yeah, so I'll keep you posted, guys. So thanks for watching.